line up. Ask your students to line up next to a wall. They then have to arrange themselves according to whatever you tell them. For example, you can tell them, I want you to rearrange yourself according to your height. I want you to change from short to tall. So short this side, tall this side. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another rule is alphabetically according to your names. If it's A, that side. If it's Z, that side. Your English name is okay. English name.
English name. Nice. You're Crystal. You're Crystal.
What? Oh, we've got 3 crystals. So your name is?
Chloe.
And your name is?
Karina.
Karina. Karina, you're before Chloe then. And Crystal. Crystal over there. According to your birthdays. My birthday is March 18th. I want you to ask your friend, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? And then I want you to stand from January to December. February 18th?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is April 18th.
Not bad.
August 15th.
August 15th?
My birthday is December 28th.
28? And you're 16? You have to change. Oh, guys, you have to ask questions. Your telephone numbers. What is your phone number? 010. What is the next number?
My phone number is 01048.
Okay, 48. What is your number?
53.
53.
6 and 7.
Good.
01089.
89.
01092.
Excellent.